Welcome back, guys, to day 15 of our 90 days online income challenge. Today's video is a very important one. You see that money you want to start making online? Today's video is actually one that will set you on the right path to making money for yourself online. So today we are looking at how to make your first 10,000 naira online. I know that looks small. Some of you will start saying, Onye, what do you mean by 10,000 naira? Listen to me. 10,000 naira can be your starting point today. And if you have 2 people paying you 10,000 naira, it becomes how much? 20. You have 5 people paying you 10,000. 10,000 naira can become what? 50,000. Now you have 10 people paying you 10,000 every day. That can become how much? 100,000. So the foundation is you making that 10,000 naira first. 10,000 naira can grow to become 1 million naira. You have 1,000 people trust you online to pay you 10,000 naira for something they are getting from you. That is your route to the 1 million naira. So 10,000 naira is not small. It is actually that conviction that yes, strangers online can actually find value in what you're doing and they are willing to pay you. That's what I want us to get today. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 realistic ways to make your first 10,000 naira online, and at the end I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I would do if I am starting from zero, what I'm gonna do personally to get my first 10,000 naira online. So let's dive straight into it. Before we do that, if you're new here, Onyongura, and this is a 90 days online income series where I take you from a point where you don't know how to make money online, you're confused, to actually making real money from the online space. This is day 15, so do well to watch other video from day 14 up to day 1. Trust you're gonna get value from it. So let's not waste any of your time. For those of you that have been following, let's just go straight into it. Now when it comes to making money online, beginners will always ask, what is the best way to make money online? That's not the best question to ask. Instead, the question you should be asking as a beginner that wants to make money online is, what problem can I solve for someone online? What problem can I solve for someone online so that they can pay me? That's the right step to follow. Now that could be a product, it could be a service, it could be convenience, saving of time, it could be entertainment. Do you understand? These are things that you can do for people online and they pay you for it. So my method number 1, if you want to make your first 10,000 naira online, method 1, sell a simple service. Now you're just starting. You don't want to do something that will be too tedious or too hard for you. Do something simple. You can decide to design flyers. Hope you've learned your skill. We've spoken about learning skills, right? For those of you that have been following, and those of you that have learned 1 or 2 skills, especially those of you that learned graphic design, remember you can learn them on YouTube. You can actually start designing flyers for business owners. Now if you go on Instagram, you will notice that business owners, especially those that sell kiddie stuff, this is like the peak of the back to school season. Most of them are running sales, right? Most of them are running sales. You can decide to design like a sales flyer for them. Now people will not just come to you, oh, design sales flyer, if they don't know you. That is to say, you need to put yourself out there. How far have you gone with your Instagram account? Have you guys created your account? Because we've done Instagram and I've already attached a video for you on how to create your account. So if you've created your account and you've started posting what you do, of course by now you should have gotten some followers. Apart from that, you can actually go straight into their DMs, right, into these business owners DMs you see online. Tell them you can design a very good sale flyer or whatever flyer they need, and you charge something mild. Let's say others are charging 5,000 naira, you can decide to do yours for 3k because you're just starting. Now if they see some of your work, you send them some of your sample. If they see some of your work and they're okay with it, trust me, because you're giving them something cheaper, they can actually go with you. They'll give you a try. Now it's not just sales flyer you can design. There are lots of things you can design. You can design for content creators. Content creators have lots of work that requires graphics. You can do those designs for them. What I'm saying here is that you can sell a simple service, and trust me, designing simple flyer posters on Canva is something you can do easily. Do you understand? This is a simple design I saw on one of my friends' page. I'm going to leave the screenshot for you on the screen. And I know somebody actually designed this for her, and she paid the designer, she paid the person that did this. You can see it's a very simple design that you can do on Canva. This is a design that just tell people that if they want to order, they should send a WhatsApp message. They take orders strictly on WhatsApp, just to tell her customers that are sending DMs that they no longer take orders on their DMs. Instead, they are now focused on WhatsApp. A designer, somebody like you, designed this in less than 10 minutes. You can, okay, because I'm used to it, in less than 1 hour. As a newbie, you should be able to design something like this. This is something you can do for a beginner in less than an hour. You should do this, and you can charge somebody 3K for this. Imagine you're able to do this for like 10 business owners, right? 3,000 times 10, how much? You already have 30K. That is what I'm talking about. Start small. You can design simple things. Go on Instagram, go on Facebook, check out these pages of business owners, of content creators. Go to their DM, pitch to them, tell them, oh, you love what they are doing. You're actually a designer that is just starting out. These are some of your work. You can help them design, and you charge something really, really good. That's how you start getting gigs. The second method is for you to sell something you already know. Do you understand what I'm saying? Sell something you already know. You don't need to learn this. You already know it. Let me use myself as an example. I know how to run ads on Facebook and on Instagram, ads that convert. This is something I already know. And I know that there are businesses that are struggling with running ads for their brands. I can sell this knowledge. I can just decide to host a training, like a 3 days training, and I'm charging, because I'm just starting out, let's charge 3K for that 3 days training, just 3,000 for that 3 days training. If I have about 5 people registering, 3,000 times 5 is already 15,000 naira. So you have over 10K already. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. What is that thing you already know how to do? You can decide to sell it. Either you package it as a training course, or you package it as an ebook or a template, whatever it may be. Some of you understand bookkeeping. Some of you understand how to, do your bookkeeping. Some business owners are struggling with bookkeeping. I'm not even talking about Excel. I'm not talking about the modernized one, Excel. I'm talking about businesses that don't have their numbers intact. They don't know how to do it, how to record their sales, their purchases, they don't know how to do any of those, and you know how to do it. You've been doing it for your business. You understand this. You can actually sell this as a knowledge. You can decide to host a training, or you package it as a course. Tell them, oh, you need this, you need a sales book, you need a record for things that are coming in, for supplies, you need for expenses. You explain all of this to them. Let's say you're charging them just 3,000 again, and you have 10 people, 30,000 naira is in your pocket. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Sell what you already know. You may be asking, only where do I sell it? You have people on your WhatsApp already. And if you've been following from day one, you already know you need your Instagram account checked, you need your Facebook, you need your TikTok. If you've been posting content bit by bit, you should have people right now following you a bit, following you on your pages. In as much as you're giving value, you should have people on your pages already. The third method that you can use to start earning or making 10,000 naira daily for yourself online is to sell for someone else. What am I saying here? Let's say you don't have any product and you don't have anything you already know per se to sell. You can decide to sell a product for somebody. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. You can do affiliate marketing. You can go join the Jumia affiliate program. For those of you in Nigeria, join the Jumia affiliate program. I have a video on it already, so I'm going to link it towards the end. You can join the Jumia affiliate program, register, start recommending product. I mean, currently this is the back to school season. Parents are shopping school essentials for their children. You can join Jumia, recommend product to your friends, to your community, to your WhatsApp group. Once they buy through your referral link, you already have your commission. You understand? So you can start with that. But the way I'm viewing affiliate marketing these days, there are other things you can do. If you're not strong, if you don't have a good following, you might not really do well with affiliate marketing. That is why I have other ones that I've mentioned, and I'm still going to mention. So if affiliate marketing isn't working for you, please scrap it. Do other things that will bring you money fast, because I think affiliate marketing might be a bit slow for you as a beginner if you don't have people, if you don't have audience already. The fourth method sell physical products even without owning a shop. Let's say you don't have a store, you are at home. Please, you can sell something today and make way more than 10,000 naira. I always say this on this channel that the way I started my business was from the comfort of my home. I just gave birth to my son then, and I was looking, what can I do? What can I do? And that season was like August, the peak season of back to school. I started selling shoes. I had no money. Some of you know the story. I had no money, nobody. But guys, this is what I did. So I saw an advert that a lady posted on Facebook, and she was advertising school shoes, right? And she has a group. She said if you're interested, you go ahead and join her group. And that was how I clicked and joined her group. And when I joined, I saw that, oh, these shoes are good and their prices are fair. What I did was I took some pictures from that group. I went to my InShot, then I was using InShot to edit. I merged all those pictures together and I had a short video. So on top, I wrote my phone number, everything, and I decided to go run ad with that particular post. Remember, I know how to run ad since way back. So I ran Facebook ad and I started generating traffic. All this traffic, I took them to a group because I advertised that I also sell shoes. Now this is what happened. Immediately I started getting people, I started reposting whatever this lady posted on her group. I'll post it on my own group as well, right? And if she's selling this shoe for, let's say, 15k, then it was even cheaper. If she was selling for 5k on my group, I was selling it for 5,700, and I'll tell you that it's wholesale minimum of 5 pence because she was also selling wholesales. So because I want people to be, to see this price and be able to buy in bulk, I was selling with something small. Do you get what I'm saying? Now the profit on each was about 700, some 500. She'll post for 5,000, I'll post for 5,005. But for wholesalers alone, as God may have it, people started buying, and when they buy, I'll remove my profit, send to the lady the money and the customer's details. She'll be the one to deliver it there. Drop shipping, you understand? She'll be the one to deliver it, and that was how I was selling. Imagine I had people that were buying 10 pairs for 500 naira times 10. You already know how much I'm making as profit. That was how I started selling shoes back then. What am I saying? This is a season that you can also jump into, the back to school season. Currently in our store, we have school shoes, different types, different quality. This is one of our best selling right now. This school shoe we have for boys and girls. Can you see this? We are selling for 16,500 retail price, and our wholesalers that are buying to go resell, we give them for 15,000 naira. They can resell this 18-20k. Now let's say you don't even have money to buy as a wholesaler and resell. What you can do is you take the picture or the video of this, repost it maybe on your WhatsApp or wherever. You post it that it is going for 20k. Just see the quality, that it is going for 20k, and it comes fully boxed for both boys and girls. You repost it on your WhatsApp. People might inquire for it, people might be interested. You bought it for, let's say, 16,500, because dropshippers will give you for 16,500 because you're not buying in bulk at once. So let's say you're getting this for 16,500 and you're able to sell 20k. What's your profit already? Do you understand? And you're able to sell up to 5 pairs or 10 pairs before this back to school season is over. You already have money. You've already started a business. Trust me, that was how I started. Reposting and selling on my own group and on my own WhatsApp status. That is it. So if you're interested, we have back to school shoes, we have school bag. You can just do well to join our Telegram channel. I'm going to leave the link of our Telegram channel down in the caption of this video. You can do dropshipping, not just my group. Look for other groups that you can join. Do you understand? We have lots of dropshippers on our groups that are buying, and we ship down to their customer or we deliver to their customer. They make their money. So you can sell physical products without owning a shop. Now the fifth method, pick up your phone and start creating content for business owners. Currently, right, I struggle with creating content for all my accounts, my Instagram account, the other Instagram I showed you guys the other day that I'm not even active on, trying to meet up with creating content for YouTube. I'm struggling. I have somebody that will come help me create content for my business, and I pay her for it. Do you understand? Now, just like myself, there are other businesses or even content creators that need assistance. You can actually be their assistant, help them create content. Now you need to look for people that are within your vicinity or within your area. You don't need to start traveling, right? These are people that can pay you up to 5,000, 10,000 naira per day, not really full day, depending on the hours you all agree. Do you understand? So sometimes you don't even need to do the content for them. You can just be assisting them with editing. Now I have lots of content on this phone that I need to edit and post on my business page. If I have somebody here, she will help me do the editing. Do you understand? And post it, and I pay her for it. It is not free. Do you get me? So you can do this for people and they pay you for it. You can edit their content, you can help them with creating content, especially people that create content outside. They need somebody that will hold the phone for them, you know, do one or two things for them. That's how you start making money. It's not difficult. I remember when we were preparing for one of our fairs, I think last year, we actually hired somebody, a guy. He came and he created content for us. We were about 3 of us. We were creating like a collaborative content. We called the guy, we saw him on Instagram, we messaged him, and he came to the location. We paid that guy. This was last year. We paid that guy for the 2 contents he shot for us. And he did this with his phone. I think we paid him 50 something, 53 or thereabout. We shared it among us and we paid, and it was worth it because we needed somebody that can cover us very well, and he did justice to that content. This is something you can do. I don't think that boy spent up to 5 hours. I think he came around 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, towards 7, 7:30 we were done. We paid him. Can you see that? If he has 3 people that he worked for that day, 50, 50, 50, that's already 150,000. I mean, he has been doing it and he has the following online. That's why he's able to make that much. But you that you're just starting, 10k, 10k. That's why I started with 10,000 naira, like the smallest, the barest minimum. That's how you keep growing, and that's how you keep making more until you hit your first 1 million from the online space, guys. Now if I were to be starting afresh with 0 following, what am I going to do now? Because of the knowledge I already have, trust that I'm going to run training and train people. I'm going to train business owners on how to run Instagram and Facebook ads and give them insights on how to read and monitor their ads to know if their ads are converting or not before spending too much, because some people don't even know how to check and analyze if their ads are working until they've spent over 20k. That's a lot of money. You can actually analyze your ad from the second day. From the second day, you should be able to know if this ad is going to convert or not currently, with all the parameters that are there. So this is something I understand. This is something I know how to do. If I was starting from scratch, I'm going to run a Facebook ad. Some people I want to teach 20 people, right? Tell them I want to teach 20 people how to run ads, and I'm not charging much. I'm just going to charge about, let's say 3k, 3,000. If I have that 3k times 20, I have 60,000 naira already. That's how I'm going to make my first money online if I were to be starting from scratch. So that knowledge you have is not a waste. You can do something with it. I'll see you all tomorrow. I love you.